Have you ever gazed at the constellations and wondered about the hidden pathways that might link every star, and what the most resourceful way to trace them out would be? That's the challenge we're tackling in the game AstraNet. Your goal is to become a cosmic cartographer connecting scattered stars to form intricate networks, almost like tracing out new constellations. You play by simply clicking on one star node and dragging a line to another to create a connection. The main objective is to connect all the stars on the screen into a single, unified network. But you need to be efficient. Each line you draw adds to your total length, and the goal is to connect all the stars using the shortest possible length, aiming to meet the target length for that puzzle. As you progress, each new celestial puzzle will feature more stars, pushing your strategic thinking a bit further. What's the math concept making AstraNet work? It's all about something called a minimum spanning tree, which is a fundamental idea in graph theory. Imagine each star is a point or node. The lines you draw are edges connecting these nodes. A minimum spanning tree, or MST, is a way to connect all the nodes in the network using the shortest possible total length of edges, with one very important rule: no closed loops. That target length you see is actually the calculated length of the true minimum spanning tree for the specific layer of stars. So every time you play, you're intuitively trying to solve this classic optimization problem. AstraNet was developed using the Unity game engine. One of the core features I wanted was endless replayability, so the star layouts are procedurally generated. My level generator script uses a grid system and some randomization to place the stars differently each time you play a new level. It also calculates that optimal parse score using Procedural algorithm, a classic way to find an MST. That was a little peek into AstraNet and how it was made. If you'd like to try your hand at connecting the cosmos and test your network building skills, you can play AstraNet for free on itch.io. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this look at AstraNet, please give the video a like, and if you want to see more game development updates, consider subscribing. Goodbye.